Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hi, Ava. Nice to see you.
Hi, David. Nice to see you too. How are you?
I'm good. The coffee shop feels good today. What are you drinking?
A latte.
A latte. With milk and coffee?
Yes, with milk and coffee. I always order latte.
You always order latte?
Yes, it makes me calm.
It smells good here.
Yes, it smells like fresh coffee and warm bread.
Fresh coffee and warm bread. That's nice.
Sweet smell and a little strong.
Sweet and strong. I like that.
And the weather today is nice.
The weather today is perfect.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, just right.
Yesterday was raining, but today is sunny.
Yesterday rain, today sun. Better for coffee outside.
It's very cozy here.
Cozy? You mean warm and comfortable?
Yes, warm, comfortable, and quiet.
Yes, it feels cozy. I like cozy cafes. So, Ava, what happened yesterday?
I was waiting for my friend at the mall.
Waiting for your friend?
Yes, waiting. But she sent me a message.
A message?
Yes, she canceled. She didn't come.
Oh no! She canceled?
Yes, really. I was standing alone in front of the glass doors.
Glass doors? You mean big, clear doors?
Yes, big, clear doors.
I see.
Inside, there was too much noise.
Too much noise?
Yes, music, people talking, bags, children crying, noise everywhere.
Wow, that is really too much noise.
I looked inside and I didn't want to go in.
You didn't want to go in?
No, too loud, too busy, too many people.
I understand. Alone in a mall is not fun. So, what did you do after the mall?
I walked on the way to the library.
On the way to the library.
Yes, I left the mall and walked slowly to the library.
Slowly, on the way to the library. I see.
I walked on a quiet street.
A quiet street? You mean no noise?
Yes, no noise, almost no people, just a few cars.
So, a quiet street, different from the mall.
Very different, yes. There was soft sunlight on the road.
Soft sunlight?
Yes, not strong, not hot, just warm and gentle.
Warm and gentle. Soft sunlight.
It made me smile. And there were many green trees.
Green trees.
Yes, tall trees on both sides of the street.
I like green trees. They make me feel fresh.
Yes, fresh and peaceful. Walking there, I felt calm.
You felt calm.
Yes, my heart was calm. My mind was calm.
Calm after the noise of the mall.
Exactly. I needed that calm street.
And then, did you reach the library?
Yes, I reached the library. I walked to the big wooden doors.
Big wooden doors?
Yes, tall, brown, wooden doors. Very old and strong.
Old, strong wooden doors. That feels classic.
Yes, classic, like history. When I went inside, it was very quiet inside.
Quiet inside?
Yes, no cars, no music, no noise, just silence.
Silence. Quiet inside.
Only the sound of turning pages. I looked and I saw many rows of books.
Rows of books?
Yes, books from left to right, books from floor to ceiling.
Rows and rows of books.
So many books, I didn't know where to start. I could smell the smell of paper.
The smell of paper?
Yes, like old paper and new paper mixed.
Old paper, new paper. I know that smell.
It feels safe, like home. Standing there, I felt excited.
You felt excited?
Yes, my eyes were wide, my heart was fast.
Because of the books?
Yes, excited to read, excited to find a story.
So, who did you meet in the library?
I saw a girl, and she wanted the same book.
The same book?
Yes, exactly the same. We both reached up. Then we looked at each other.
Looked at each other?
Yes, just for a moment. She had big, bright eyes. Then she smiled.
She smiled?
Yes, a soft, kind smile. And I smiled back.
You smiled back?
Yes, my smile answered her smile. At that moment, I felt a new friend.
A new friend?
Yes, maybe not close yet, but a friend from books.
So, what happened with the book?
Well, we both wanted the book.
Both wanted the book.
Yes, our hands touched the same cover. Then she said, "You can take it."
She said that?
Yes, she smiled and said I could take it.
That was kind.
But I answered, I said, "Let's share."
Share the book?
Yes. I told her, "We can read it together here."
That's a good idea.
After that, we talked about stories.
Talked about stories?
Yes, she told me she loves travel stories.
She loves travel stories.
Yes, she reads them to imagine new places. So now, I told you about Emily.
Emily.
Yes, that's her name. A quiet girl, friendly, with big, bright eyes.
Emily, the girl from the library.
Yes, Emily, my new book friend.
And after you met Emily, what did you do?
We sat down together at a small wooden table.
You sat down together.
Yes, side by side with the book between us. Then she said, "I love libraries."
She said that?
Yes, she smiled and said, "Libraries make her feel safe."
Safe. Like a second home.
Yes, exactly like a home. After that, I told her my favorite book.
Your favorite book?
Yes, I told her I love a story about travel and friendship.
Travel and friendship. Good mix.
She nodded and smiled again. During our talk, she listened carefully.
Carefully?
Yes, she looked at me, her eyes soft, her face calm,
That feels kind.
very kind. She wanted to understand me. In that moment, I felt a quiet friendship.
A quiet friendship?
Yes, no noise, no big words, just two girls and one book.
A quiet friendship born in the library.
Yes, that's how it began.
Did Emily tell you anything interesting?
Yes, she told me a story.
A story?
Yes, about something she found in the library before. One day she found an old ticket.
An old ticket?
Yes, very old, from many years ago.
Where was it?
It was hidden inside a book. She showed me the ticket. The paper was yellow. The numbers were faded.
Old paper, faded numbers.
Yes, and on the back there was a date. Then she said, it felt like history.
History.
Yes, she said it felt like meeting a reader from the past.
Like a secret message across time.
Exactly, a message across time. When she told me, we laughed together.
Laughed together?
Yes, I said it was like a little time machine.
A time machine in a book.
Yes, small but special.
And then how did it end?
Finally, we closed the book.
Close the book.
Yes, we finished reading one story together. Then she said, "See you again."
She said that?
Yes, she smiled and said we could meet in the library again.
That sounds nice.
After that, I waved goodbye.
You waved goodbye?
Yes, simple, with my hand, like friends do. As I walked out, I felt thankful.
Thankful?
Yes, thankful for books, thankful for new people.
Thankful for Emily?
Yes, thankful for Emily too. So, it was a good day.
A good day in the library.
Yes, quiet, warm, and full of stories.
I'm glad you told me.
And I'm glad I can share it.
So, Ava, it was really a good day.
Yes, a good day in the library with books, smiles, and a new friend.
I'm glad you shared it with me.
And I'm glad to share it with everyone here. Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Yes, see you next time.